Hello kids, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do whatever we want. And where are we now? Okay, this one is 2023 pool. Alrighty. ELB, do we have ELB here? ELB. Yeah, we don't have ALB. ALB. Okay, cool. ALB. That is elastic load balancer. But we want to open the entire thing because we might want to just copy and paste things. So here we go. We are online. Um, do we have a uh, let's check. Let's check if we have a VPC that is running. Do we have VPC? No, we don't have. We just have the um, default VPC that was given to us when we created our account. So now we want to create or is it create or launch? Yeah, create a VPC, and this VPC is because I saw that not NAT gateways have you're getting charged per second or per hour, so I just created a VPC that doesn't need to have a NAT gateway. And let's go to our cloud formation. Let's check if this is already created. So yeah, it's still creating. So our goal today is how can we run a dotnet application in our ec2 like without using code deploy and ECS. So yeah, let's create a new application .NET API. So .NET API. Do we have a .NET here? Yeah, we have .NET new web API. Yeah. we need some fixing to do. Yeah. Let's try to fix this. How do you fix this? Copy Bard. Let's go to Bard because Bard is smarter maybe. How to fix this error? Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. And here's my number. Oh, you're so disappointing. So let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a smart kid. Please tell me how to fix this. Let's try Bing. Verify that dotnet is currently installed in your system. Yeah, I did. I just did. .NET version. Yeah, it's not working. Repair the .NET installation. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so this might just be the repair that we need. Sudo .NET repair. Nope. Um, this one here, sudo update, upgrade. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number. So don't maybe. Oh, what command? Oh, we already. Yeah. So we want to specify the .NET 6. Here's my number. So call me maybe. How to install .NET is SDK 6 specifically using the code command like this. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. Here's my number. Call me maybe. Really? Okay, so let's try this. Alright, so let's try that. Dun, 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 dun. The following packages were automatically installed and are no longer required. Okay, so if I .NET version, oh, I'm still getting the error. Check folder permission. Cannot access host no such file or directory. If none of the above steps work, you might consider reinstalling .NET and reinstalling. Damn. So yeah, we'll just Google it. Our AI guys are not helping, so let's just Google it. How to fix spawn. Okay, so there's an entry here. The folder da 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 does not exist. To resolve the error, removing all .NET packages from your existing .NET package. Alright, so let's try this. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. If you should make sure you now run the following command to remove all dotnet standard. Alrighty. And then run the following command to remove all ASP.NET Core packages from your machine. This one. And create a Microsoft.NET .pref in your, okay, so this one here, and I just run this directly, okay, this way, blah blah blah. The command above uses get it, but you can also use nano or vim. Add the following to your .NET pref. Where is this? Is this the one that we added? Yeah, we just added that one, right? So go cd there, and then so we'll just vim. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number. Sudo vi. And then let's add this one here. Right, so files and that there should have a .pref extension. Is it? Yep, it does have. Does it have? Yep. Now you run the following command. Okay, so this one, let's go back here, run that, and then run this, and then run this. All right. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number. Call me maybe. I just met you. This is crazy. Dun 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 dun. Own personal breakfast table and otherwise empty room. Anger. Alright, so we got it running. Violence. Stirring up a hole the distant lawns. Other reels that agile. Try to understand me. .NET new web API. Tries to make her proud. The shades go down and in her hand. Empty room. Empty house. Something's wrong. Don't call me that. A fade to. So how do we run and install this in ec2? So yeah, let's close this and open this one here. We have .NET here. What will be our user data? Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. Please create me a user data for my ec2 instance so that when so that on boot, is it the correct word? On boot, it will install needed configuration and packages for my .NET 6 web API. Just and run times. Alright, so let's see how good is ChatGPT. Get. Please note the following. Replace placeholders like and your DLL. Restart. What's this? I don't want it to come from the .get. I want it to the source, the application is already built my local machine. I just want to I want to I just want to have this pulled from S3 bucket named sample r.net API. Yeah. To runtime. So it's again clone your data science project. Nope, I don't want it cloned from clone your .NET project. No, it's yeah. Yeah. Why are you still pulling from GitHub, bro? right, it's good. Okay, okay. 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 Um, can you replace your web API with .NET API? Okay. Um, I don't want to put my access key and access secret in the user data. How can I still pull the uh, up the built application from my S3 bucket? Okay. Can you please put all the code without omitting other codes? Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number. Damn. I told you not to use. I told you not to use secret access key and secret access. I already told you to remove the access key and secret access. And this script, I remove the access key and is your domain. Alright, so let's review what you got, you junior ChatGPT developer. Let's see what you got. So you installed all of this, and then you install my .NET runtime and the necessary SDK. Do we need the SDK here? I don't think so, because I already, yeah, I don't know. Do you still need the SDK? But yeah, so if I zip and then upload to this file, S3 bucket, and then you're gonna should be able to download it. So in order for you to download, create an IAM rule. Let's choose rules and select the AWS service type. Attach a policy that grants read access to the S3 bucket where your application is stored. launch ec2 instance with the IAM rule. Yeah, how do we launch an AS2? Okay, so let's go to can we access IAM here? Do we have access to IAM here? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not a perfect person. There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I had to say before I go. So I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. And the reason is you. I'm sorry that I hurt you. It's something I must live with every day. And all the things. And be the one who catches all your tears. I just need you to hear. Found a reason. Alright, so let's create a new rule. Let me create a rule here. This one is for AWS service, and this is for EC2. Choose a use case, EC2, EC2. Yeah. Allow EC2 instance to call AWS services on your behalf. Okay, let's try this. And let's give him not everything. I just skip that. Add permissions. Yeah, S3 read. Right, so S3 read only. JX EC2 S3 read only. Right, so assume rule. Okay. Um. So yeah, so let's create this, and then so where are we now? So for this one, you want to .NET build. Yeah, .NET build this. Right, so we got it built. Go to bin, go to debug 6. Alright, so this is what we want to zip. How do we zip this? Do we have a zip here? Zip, zip, zip. Do we have a zip? Extract. That's not extract. How to zip? Right, so let's just ask this one here. How to zip a folder in Ubuntu 2.04. I'm not a own there's nine. All right, so this one is zip recursive all into .NET API .zip. Okay, so what if we go here and then zip recursive 6 into .NET API, not name, not match, zip. Yeah, how do we zip? Spit it out. Oh, it's the reverse. So let's try this again. Zip recursive .NET API, then the .NET 6. All right. So it's okay. So this is what we want to upload to our S3 bucket, right? So let's put this in our S3 bucket. So if we unzip this, so if we go here, let's try this one. VPC net bin bug. So if we cut, is it cut? If we cut that, how do we pronounce cat? Um, can we create a new folder here? Just okay. So if we go to xxxx and then paste that one there, and then we unzip .NET 6 .NET API. Oh, how do we unzip it? I'm not a perfect person. So alright, unzip. Yeah, so just unzip. Unzip and then .NET 6. Let's go to xxx first and then unzip. So this is not what we want. We want to so what we want to do is go back to our .NET API, then bin debug. Right, so this is what we want to do. So we want to zip it to .NET API, then just the directory, this whole directory. Nope. Yeah, how to zip parent directory. Yeah, so let's do this again. Zip recursive .NET API current directory. All right, so that's what we want. And then let's go back to the .NET bin debug .NET. Where's the zip file? Cut that. Move that here. Paste. So let's try this. Okay, so unzip. Right, so it will unzip there. Alright, so that's what we want. That is what we want to upload. So let's go get to the bucket.net API, and then upload. Where do we upload? Alright, so let's create this. What? Alright, so .NET API, maybe JX.NET API. Starlight Express, Starlight Express, and no. All right, upload, app, add file. So this is going to be the VPC, then yeah, XXX. This is what we want to upload. This is the S3 bucket. And then let's put in our notes. And then let's go to the code that was added by ChatGPT. This is for the user data. Starlight Express, Starlight Express. Right, so this one will be JX.NET API. So jx-.net-api, jx-.net-api, then .api zip. Then it's going to copy it to here temp.net api zip. It's going to unzip it to w, and then it's going to sudo t. I'm not sure what this is, and then it's going to listen to port 80 server. Yeah, so let's ask domain. So this one here. Okay, so let's copy that. Okay, so then let's ask here. In this code, in this user data code, I don't have a domain yet. How can I configure the Nginx so that it will just listen to the DNS or IP of my ec2 instance. If you don't have a domain and you want Nginx to listen to the DNS or IP address, you can modify this configuration, replace with your domain. Replace with your domain, replace with your Nginx, okay, so, but we won't have that domain. How can we automatically uh, get the DNS on in the user data and matic in the Nginx configuration. Starlight Express, Starlight Express, we never know. The instance DNS. Oh, okay. Starlight Express, my journey is. I never want you to know. Starlight Express, Starlight Express. Na, 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 na. Right, so this might be it. Let's review again. As your senior developer and you're just a junior developer, ChatGPT, I will review your code. Okay, and then right, so there I'll just change it to jx.net, and then so let's ask it, are you sure we still need the dotnet SDK since we already have that code built? If you have already built yeah, okay, so let's try this without the SDK. Alright, so without the SDK, right? So let's remove that. Alright, so let's try this if this works. Okay, so let's review again. So let's put this here. Okay, so it will unzip. It will copy from here, and then it will put it here, and then it will unzip this one and put it here inside .NET API, and then alright, so I'm not sure what this will do, but this will put our Nginx configuration. Alright, so let's start. Let's try to use this. Seems like you are good to go, ChatGPT. And then let's launch our ec2. So let's go to our ec2, and then let's launch an instance. Then this is going to be jx vpz.net, right? So it's going to be Linux T2 micro. We don't want to get a key pair or apply the key pair. Then let's edit. Let's use the VPZ, and then let's put public subnet. Use um, select an existing VPC security group, and then what else? So advanced detail. This is where we're going to put our user data, and then let's launch the instance. Okay, let's select that instance. Right, select here. Right, let's wait for it to complete. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. All right, it's already running. Let's connect. Let's connect to it, and let's see where is our .net. I want you to. All right, so let's copy. Then let's go to. We don't have a. Oh, so let's check our var. We don't have a ww. So that means that our. Yeah, this didn't work. I don't want you to go. Starlight Express. So let's read the how the user data here is created. So yeah. So just try to create it. Yeah. Seems like it didn't work. Do we have like an logs or anything? AWS. We have AWS. Yeah, we have AWS. Okay, so let's just create it here. Let's try to create it here. Let's use all of this. We have AWS. Do we have Nginx? Yeah, we want to. How, do we have a zip and an unzip? Do we have a zip? Yep, we have a zip already. And yeah, maybe let's just. How about .NET? Do we have .NET already? We have .NET. .NET. No, we don't have .NET, so we might just want to um, go here and then go to home, then go to ec2, then let's download. Okay, so we have downloaded our, what's that, our thing. And then let's install this, copy, and then install. Oops, what did we press? This is the one that we want. Paste that. Alright, so how to install this? Alright, so let's, yeah. How to install in Amazon Linux 2023. So let's try this. Oh, so this you can download the you can get okay, so this is based in RPM, yeah. So this readme here is a total failure. So this one we want to create a new for Amazon Linux 2023.mg. So this is how we will install this. Starlight Express, Starlight Express, and then, Starlight Express. Alright, so it's installed. Then let's install the .NET 6. Yeah, we don't need the SDK. Why are we keep on installing it? But let's put that here in our notes so that we don't have to keep on going to ChatGPT. Right. And once we have that, let's go back to our notes here. Other notes. Fetch. Alright, so fetch the IP, the instance. Starlight Express. No, we want to download. Can we download? Ah, we forgot to create we forgot to set the instance rule. How can we set the rule? Can we still update this to have a rule? Can we update the instance rule of ec2? Yes, you can update. Okay, so we might want to delete this, terminate that, and let's launch a new one. So this is going to be jxvpc.net 2. key pair. So, you know, VPZ public subnet. Where's the public subnet? Public subnet A. So on existing group. So this one and advanced setting. Yeah, this one here, instance profile. So we want to, yeah, this one here, JX S3 read only. Alright, so um yeah, let's try that. Um okay, so let's update that. Let's update the user data based on our new knowledge. So we will remove this because we're supposed to be using RPM, this one. Then we don't need to install this or unzip maybe. Do we have unzip already? Have we removed? Yeah, it's terminated already. Yeah, we don't need to install this because this is already installed. This is RPM. So we're still going to proceed with this one. This one we're also going to proceed. And yeah, let's try this. Okay, so let's copy this. This whole thing. Starlight Express. Alright, so let's put that there. And then let's launch our ec2 instance. Then let's go here, wait for it to complete. Wait for the instance state to run. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. Alright, it's already running, so let's connect to it. And then let's go here. Let's see if it has our .NET thing. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. Alright, so let's go and go to var. Hopefully, yeah, there's still no. Yeah, we have .NET, so it's good. But the .NET is installed, but this one was not pulled, maybe. So let's try if we can pull this. So this is in var. It didn't create the .NET thing. So let's go back home. Then let's go to ec2. So let's try to pull. All right, failed operation not permitted. Why? We are okay. So let's go to our S3. Um, maybe the bucket policy permissions. Add a blocking block public access. Bucket policy. Add a statement. Allow. Principle is yeah. So what is the ARN of this one? For instance, ARN. Do we have an ARN here? Or yeah, so this has the rule of this one. Permission is Amazon read only. And then do we have an ARN for an instance? My EC2 has instance rule that assumed a rule that my EC2 instance has my EC2 instance has IAM rule that has S3 read-only access, but but it's getting operation not permitted error. How to fix it? Marlin Express. Okay, so let's try this. LS. Can we do an LS? AWS S3 LS. Hmm? LS, then S3 JX.net API. Yeah, yeah, I can read it, but I'm not permitted. Okay. So maybe copy also. Um, yeah, the copy. I was able to LS, but not able to uh, how to fix this. Starlight Express. Get object. Okay, so S3 get object. Get object and put object. Okay. Okay, so let's update this. So this one. Oh, it has a get. So maybe that's the issue. Let's try again. So okay, so it's just a sudo. Okay, and then where is our TMP? So this is our TMP here. Oh, where is it now? Yeah, so this is here, and then we want to, what's the next code? Unzip to, okay, so let's move up, and then paste and zip, no such file. How to force. I'm getting no such file in this command. How to create the folders files automatic. Starlight Express, Starlight Express. Alright, yeah. We have an MQDR top. Alright, so it's MKDR. Right, this one. So now we have, right, so we have .NET API here. We want to sudo copy all, like that. Can we do it like that? In Red Hat Linux, how to move all files in the current directory up one level. Okay. Okay, so it's already there. Now we just want to or yeah, why did we yeah. Okay, so let's remove all of this. Okay, so our recursive force, okay, so that's it. What's this? So let's try this. First we want to get this one. How about sudo? Yeah, I'm getting unauthorized. Starlight Express. Easy to describe. Okay, so let's try that. Easy to describe. Easy to describe. Let's add inline. EC2. We only want the read describe. Describe. Describe instance. Okay, so describe instance. And then okay, and then let's go back. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. We don't need. Oh, maybe we need it. Or we'll just delete this and then just add a policy about ec2 um, ec2 full ec2 read only. Okay, and then let's try to connect again. Still getting 401. Still getting 401. How about this one? We still get this one. Or, yeah, how do we get with this one? Yeah, still able to download. But we're not able to describe. Hmm. How about curl this? Okay, so it says that we need to restart. Okay, so let's try to restart. If that works, restart, reboot. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. Stop. Then instance setting. Edit user data. Still stopping. Starlight Express. Starlight Express. So while waiting for it to complete, let's slowly build our user data. Starlight Express, Starlight Express, and then, Starlight Express. Actually, we don't really need this, but yeah, we'll just try to solve this. The chance of the chances. Right, it stopped. Settings, user data. Um, yeah, modify. Just remove all of it for now, and then let us start the instance. Now the frustration. Boys that don't matter. And unzip. Do we have an unzip here already? No, right? So we have to unzip. Take one in the tempo. So. I want in the tempo. Take one for you. Take one in the tempo. Take one for you. Take one in the tempo. Right, so it's already running. Let's connect. Let's see if it is able to run this command. Still unauthorized. Why does it have an IAM rule now? So this one. So this one, the IAM rule. Trust policy. Trust relationship. Yeah, it has. Allow ec2 instance STS assume rule. This is a read only. Okay, so if I have this, there you go. So if I have that here and then put it here, but for now, let's just copy this and then let's copy this from here. And then maybe we don't need, we just need to put it anywhere. Maybe I can just execute that here. Okay, so okay, still no such file. Okay, so we have to install Nginx. And next is we executed this. Oops. Does it have a, yeah, and then we invalid number of argument and proxy header directive relation test failed. Okay, what's that? How to fix it? I'm getting. Wow, it's running. All right, cool. So we want to have this as in a. We want to remove this. What's our last command here? Yeah, sudo.net. No, just sudo.net. Yeah, I think this is the only one that we want. Okay, so we've all witnessed that it is running, so let's delete that. Let's terminate that. Terminate. Okay, and then let us so all we want to do is, so this one is good. This one we want to delete this. So this is the user data that we need. Let's launch a new one. So this is going to be JX VPZ.net 3. And then instance type will still be T2 micro. No key pair. VPZ no NAT. Public subnet A. Existing security group. This security group. Advanced detail. Instance profile is this one. And then our user data is this one. And then launch. So now that we have launched it, let's go to this one here. And then alright, so it's running. Connect to it. Here, hopefully the instance, the user data is successful. Dang. Alright, so let's go to var. Do we have a ww? No, we don't have a ww. That means it did not succeed. Do we have a .net? No, we don't have a .net. So that means we have not, it didn't succeed. Our user data, yeah. Because we have to modify the metadata and then use it as optional. Okay, and then let's select this. Reboot. reboot. So we rebooted it. Reboot successful. Right, so connect again. I'll be here while going nowhere. I'll be here while doing nowhere. I'll be here while keep going nowhere. Here while sister. Stop, we still don't have that. We still don't have. Yeah. Well, that sucks. Let's. So if we go back here, then go here, and then stop it. Let's see the user data. Yeah, the user data is here. Seems like it didn't. Okay, so let's start. Let's start again. Let's start instance. So let's start that, and then let's execute all of this one by one. See if there are any errors. And then let's go to sleep after this. Okay, it's running. Connect, 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 connect. Alright, so let's connect. Okay, so what will happen is we will supposed to install that for our Nginx, and then this one will be executed. Oops, not that. This one here. And then after that, we supposed to, yeah, maybe this one is the error. It's causing the error, right? So let's ls. Oh yeah, it's still the same. Should be good. That one. And then we install the .NET runtime. Everything is good. And then we will copy, paste that, right? So that was downloaded. And then we will execute this so that it will create the ww, and then copy that. Supposed to do this to unzip. What's happening here? Permission denied. So sudo here, right? Okay, so we are missing sudo on this one maybe, and this one will be executed here again, and then we will execute this and then we will execute this, and then we will execute this. What's it? Yeah, and then execute that, and then go here, and then execute this. So that should make yeah, and then in our um, ec2 here, let's open this up, and then let's remove the http, and then we still swagger, and there's swagger. So maybe the issue is with this one here, the unzip, yeah, or yeah. So now let us close all of this again, and then let's terminate this, and then let's launch another one. So let's go to jxvpz.net 5, because 4 is an unlucky number. And then we're going to set this one here, then no VPC, no NAT, I mean, and then public NA, public 1A, existing one is this one, this VPC, then additional data is our, where is it? Our instance profile is this one, then our, yeah, our user data is that one. Then let's launch, and then this is a 5. We want to edit, and yeah, we cannot modify yet. We'll wait for it to complete, and then let's modify. Or can we set that to, yeah, this is already running. We might be able to set this on lunchtime. Metadata option is this one. Okay, and then let's reboot. So we got it rebooted, and then let's connect, and then let's go to the what again? Let's see if there's a www. Ugh. It might still be just rebooting. All right. Yeah, we still don't have the. Can we do dotnet? Nope. Why? Why our user data is not getting executed? Hmm. The user data is not getting executed. Maybe because we only have a read only for the ec2. Yeah. We'll try. Well, we're going to add another one, ec2, maybe full access or um, ec2 full access. Okay, let's add that permission and then let's remove the read only. And then remove that read only. So we have full access. And then let's reboot. Let's connect. Alrighty. Don't worry about it. It's just because the instance is still rebooting. Yeah. Hold on. Boom, dun, dun, dun. No, she falls apart by herself. No one says how to understand. Yes, the same. Dries her eyes. Alright, so as the sun opens the door inside, people see right. Yeah, we still don't have it. Yeah. People see right through. Verify that the content of your user data is correct. Make sure that there's no syntax errors or typos. Everyone who knows you well falls apart. Might as well. The scripts in my user data is not getting executed on boot time. But if I run them manually, it's fine. Why? What is causing the issue? Falls apart. As well, if the user data scripts are not getting executed automatically during instance boot time, They work fine when run manually. It suggests that there might be an issue with the way your user data is configured or some environmental factors specific to your instance. What's this? I had the following line at the beginning of the user data script. This will redirect both standard output and errors to the specific file, making it easier to diagnose. Alright. Ensure that the IAM rule attached to the instance has the necessary permissions to execute actions required by your user data script. Check for. Alright, so maybe we'll do this. So maybe we'll do the sudo people see right through you. Everyone who knows you well. All support. Might as well. Run away, run away. Call you tomorrow, but you're going away. Run away, run away. User data. Call you tomorrow, but you're leaving today. Run away, run away. How about if I run this in a bash file? Bash. Select a bash. Run away, run away. Where is it where I'm getting permission denied? Permission denied. Call you tomorrow, but you're going away. Run away, run away. Call you tomorrow, but you're going away. But you're leaving today. But you're leaving today. Hey. It still run. So if I put it in a bash file, it will still run. It will run, but it won't. The user data is not getting executed. User data. It's not running on Microsoft, but working centered. Troubleshooting ec2 startup script passing. Run away, run away. Hold you tomorrow, but you're going away. But you leave today. I am my angel. Yamato JX VPZ .NET 6. Early angel. Baby, you're my angel. Yamato angel. This one. Then the instance profile is this one. This is the user data. See, metadata. Allows stacks metadata. Where is it? Where it's optional? Token optional. I think this is the one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Its token is optional. Okay, so we don't have to modify the instance thing. So if we go to the instances, and then if we, where's my, yeah, this one here, let's check the, um, yeah, let's just check it later, but I believe that will be, that is already set to optional. Okay, so it's already running, instance, modify instance metadata. Yeah, that is already optional. And then let's select this and let's connect to it. And then alright, so the moment of truth. Yeah, we got it. So we got the packages Microsoft. There should be a www now or no. So we don't have a still a www, and we want to know what's the issue. So if we go back to our this one, if we .net, do we have a .net? Yeah, we have a .net. Do we have a TMP here? Yeah, we have a cloud init. Why is it a cloud init? So okay, so let's check our logs. Hey, by the way, I already saw a www. We have a .net. Maybe it's just take some time to download and read something like that. And okay, so I think it's already good. Let's go to let's go back to this instance and let's open this up. And this one is changed to Swagger. And voila, it's running, baby. It's 6, right? Yep, it's running. User data is now good. So to prove that, we will again terminate this. Okay, so let's close all of this here, and then let's launch a new one. Okay, so let's launch a new one. This will be JXVPZ baby. Alright, so this one is, we don't need a key pair here. We will select our VPC and then we will select the public A1, enable select existing group, this one, and then additional detail. Instance profile is this S3 read only, and then the metadata. Where's our metadata? Version is token is optional, and then the moment of truth. This is what we want, and put it here, and then launch. And let's go here. It's still pending. Select this. Let's wait for it. Let's give it 5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes for it to finish. So now it's running, but it might still be downloading and executing our scripts and our user data. All right. Do we have a .NET? Do we have a .NET? Maybe not yet. It's still running. See, it downloaded so many, meaning it already, our user data has already executed. So let's just wait for it to complete. See here, .NET. Yeah, see, it's we already have a .NET. Let's give it another 2 minutes. Then, yeah. Just call me angel, you're my darling angel. It's just that believe me, baby. www. Alright, so there's a www now, and then there's a .NET. And if we go here, refresh this, and then select this again, and open this up, remove that, and then let's swagger that, and voila, it's already running. Alright, cool. So we got a perfect 2 hours and 22 minutes for this thing to happen. And yeah, we're good for this one. So next we can play around with load balancer and auto scaling, and I'll try to implement the one that I'm just been like asking myself before about the signal R, how those um, how the IDs of the signal R gets persisted if it's getting load balanced. And yeah, exciting. So that's it. Thanks. Bye. Oh,